few months or years. Well, the 16th, I think this is the 16th Congress last up to 2013. Yun yung susunod. Pag hindi na-approvean yan before 2013, archive ang tawag yan. It's either they will refine it sa susunod na Congress 2014. The government already of Pinoy, President Noynoy Aquino, has already certified 26 bills as urgent. Pag sinabi mo kasing certified as urgent, yan ang uunahin ng Kongreso na pag-usapan. And sad to say, for some, good for some, the RH bill is not part of those certified as urgent by President Noynoy. Pag hindi siya certified as urgent, kung kailan lang siya kakalendaryo, doon lang siya pag-uusapan. Hindi na tulad pag urgent, halos araw-araw marathon hearing siya para maaprubahan. So what is the probability? Unless it is certified by next year, mukhang mahihirapan, especially the opposition coming from the Catholic Church, some pro-life advocates. But the closest of it being enacted is now. Alam ko matagal na yan, since 1990s pa yan. The closest it is of being enacted would be now. So if you are a pro-choice advocate, this is the time for you to lobby for it to be enacted, because the president himself is amenable to its being passed into a law. So if you are a pro-choice, this is the time to make yourselves be heard. If you are pro-life, this is the time for you to be scared, because this is the most opportune time for it to be passed.
Doctor, you may ask his opinion kung approve siya sa ating skin. Parin mo namin yan.
Hindi po, ma'am.
Oh, sige na, Father.
Seminaryan pa po.
Seminary. Kala ko DJ, ang ganda ng boses eh.
Hindi po ako pare. I'm not yet a priest. I'm still actually studying theology, but then for the meantime, I stopped studying theology because I decided to take first nursing. But then after this, probably next year, I will be UST po. Abo.
Ay, may dyan. RH still.
Oh. So, honestly speaking, I cannot even give my opinion about it because I'm so focused with my study in nursing, but you know, I heard many often times that we watch in TV the news po, but then we religious, we still stick on, of course we are pro-life, but we are advocate of pro-life, but then you know, sa ngayon po hindi ko talaga
If ever that will be a rally pagdating sa pro-life, ang una sa linya niyan is Central Seminary ng UST. Isa sa mga unang susugod yan.
So if you have some...
I have a question. Ito ano lang naman, ang tawag doon. Random lang. Can I have a show of hands? Siguro huwag nandinig yung mga teacher para hindi alam. Can I have a show of hands? Sino sa inyo ang pro-life? Huwag na mahiya. Dahil pagtapos ito, limot-limot na tayo eh. So I'll have an idea, diba? Sabi ko yun, it's all about research eh. So sino sa inyo ang pro-life? Ilan din natin ito? Mga more or less sandaan?
Isa lang si Father na nag-base na ka.
Sino sa inyo ang pro-choice? Huwag titingin daw ang mga prof ha? Sino mga pro-choice? Lalo na pag pro-choice, bawal yan sa mga nurses. Actually, mali, sorry. Ang pro-choice is not about abortion ha. Don't correlate it with abortion. Pro-choice is about the freedom to choose what type of method to use. Sino ang pro-choice sa inyo? Aba. Nagbabago na talaga ang konsepto ng pamilya sa Pilipinas. Well, actually, that's good. Yun lang. Tamo ako pa nakaalam sa inyo ng information. Hindi kayo nakakuha ng information sa akin. Any more questions? Ako na moderator, DJ. Any more questions from the group? Wala na? May natutunan ba kayo kahit pa paano?
Yes!
Kayo ba ay makikipaglaban para sa paniniwala ninyo tungkol sa responsible parenthood at reproductive health?
Yes!
Kasi kayo ang mangunguna, kayo ang mga nurses. Ilan na ba ang nurses sa Pilipinas?
Secret.
Ilan. Pag kayo sumugod sa Malacanang, tanggal si Noy Noy sa trabaho niya. Ganun kayo kadami. Make a stand because the people need your input. Okay? Wala na tanong? Wala na? Okay. Kayo ma'am, may mga tanong pa ba? From my colleagues in the profession?
Wala nga nagpa-family planning.
Wala nang nagpapagaling planning?
Cannot anymore.
Sino? Ayaw kong tanongin kung sino lang may anak at may asawa dito sa mga...
Sa mga estudyante. Meron din.
Marami rin.
Meron, ano?
Mga may anak at asawa na. Sino ang more than isa ang asawa? Ay, ang anak. May more than yun. Baka mamaya makita ko kayo sa... Tatanda ako mga mukha niyo. Pag makita kayo sa interview kayo sa TV Patrol at Saksi, tanongin kayo kung anong stand niyo mga nurses sa RH din. Sabihin niyo, ano ho yun? Pag nakita ko kayo nakita ko kayo sa TV interview ko, ano ho yun? Patay tayo dyan. Okay, wala na, wala na. Father? Father DJ? Please pass the mic to Father DJ.
Thank you, sir, so much.